Welcome back to another episode of Forex Tech Magazine. This is your host, Lewis. Hope everybody's doing well. Today is December 28th, 2018. Oh my goodness, just a couple more days and this month will be gone. This year will be gone and we'll be in 2019. Um, Before we get too far into the show today, I want to go ahead and do that disclaimer. Disclaimer goes a little something like this. Any and all information given to you by Forex Tech Magazine should be considered to be for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing that we share with you should be considered to be investment advice. If you are in need of if you're in need of investment advice, then our suggestion to you would be to seek out the assistance of a licensed, competent, advisor. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get into why you came here in the first place. Look at some trades. And we'll start this one out actually with what we're in right now, which is the Great Britain Pound New Zealand Dollar. As you can see, so far we accumulated 135 pips. It's changed from the day before. I think it was like 150, 160. I don't know. It was a lot more a couple of days ago. And as you can see over here, before Christmas, around about Christmas Eve, we were up, significantly more than we are now. But that's okay because we're in the process of getting back to that same spot. This is a low. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. Right? I don't know what this might be. This might be forming a higher low. This might be forming a lower high. I don't know. But anyway, looks like the price is trying to push back up. Although it's kind of slow, but it's still nonetheless pushing back up. This was a pretty steep. This is a pretty steep move. Push that it was on originally. If you look over here, this is more of a wider. Push this down for a second. This is more of a wider. Every time I put this in, it's always got a little bit difficulty with it. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. See it better now. There you go. Boom. All right. So yeah. So there is a little bit of a wider trend line, whereas there is a little bit more steeper. So as long as it's adhering to this trend line here, price is accelerating up towards the take profit. And once it falls off of this trend line here, it doesn't mean that the trend is over. It just means that it's a little bit of wider of a swath, and it may take a little bit longer to get to the take profit. And considering the fact that we're over the holiday period, still liquidity in the market, but there's a lot more lighter trading during this time period because a lot of folks are still on holiday. A lot of things are still not being done. That's, in my opinion, is why we're kind of getting this type of movement that we're having right now. But we're still on target to reach our target, which is right here. Right, so we'll see how this plays out over the next 24, 48. To guess where we need to be at. So today's Friday. I was hopeful that we'd be here by today. Just not like we got enough. Not like there's enough energy in the market to better hit us here by today or even by Monday. So this may not hit until going over into the new year, which kind of sucks because I want to. If any of you guys know me, I like to be in and out of these trades fairly quickly. We opened this up on the 21st. 2 to 3 days is what I like to be in these things max. But of course, it's been more than that. It's been about 7 days now, not including any weekends. Well, yeah, 7 days now. So we'll see. Anyway, we will see. Let's look at some other ones. Well, we got the opportunity, and I will tell you too, today is going to be kind of a quick day. just because not a lot going on. I think a lot of things are just kind of resetting right now. Um, this looks crazy busy, but all it is here is Fibonacci's and then trend line and then support and resistance lines on here. All right. This is one of the ones I was telling you about earlier. We hit our price target for this one. Um, we hit our original price target for this one, which is here. Right. And then, of course, price pulled back. And then we got a new A, and then we got a new B, and then we're looking for a C, which is here. Right. Price crossed over, said it could be a potential buy. But, here was the resistance line. Wanted to be careful because of that. And sure enough, price hit this resistance and then pulled back. Came back to the trend line, and now it's broken below the trend line. Once again, this one right here, and it has the potential to go either way, but because of this light trading that we're in right now, here goes the target. And then also the fact that they're going to be voting. There's some voting. There's some more voting that's going to be going place on the Brexit. I think it's next week or the week after next. I think it's the reason why we're getting this really low participation in this particular pair right now. So it seems like everything's kind of like just moving sideways. And it could, like I said before, just be that it's that time of the year where the market tends to reset, right? And then what we find is that, starting in January, we're going to get what we're going to, the move that we're going to have for the next, at least for the next 2 or 3 months, at least 3 or 4 months, right? Next quarter or so, right? Same thing here, the Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. Here's the fibs in place. Target price here. Tell you the same thing. Moves over in this area. Watch out for this support line. Price came down to the support line, bounced up off the support. Came right down again, bounced off the support again, and now it's broken through the support. Looks like we had closed below, or not closed below. Yeah, it had a close below the support. And now we got this candlestick forming right here below support. Remember, this is our take profit here, and I told you before, we won't necessarily put this in as a target until we had a close below the support and maybe some follow through with price. And this right here could be the follow through with price if we get a lower close here, right? A bearish candlestick here. Yeah, excuse me. That could give us some, more confirmation that, yeah, go ahead and lock in this take profit here. Put your entry in, take profit. Now, I wouldn't particularly trade this particular pair, just because I don't think the risk to reward ratio is enough. It's not worth it. All right. It's 44 pips of reward, and you're risking about, what is that? $145, 145 pips to get it. So definitely the risk reward ratio is not there. But if it's something you're just trying to make some quick pips on, and you don't really care, then yeah, it might be something you want to do. But this right here would be the target for this particular pair that will finish off this fib, and like I said, get us going for the 2019. Some of the other fibs are already finished off already, like the I think it was the Euro Aussie dollar fib, and or no, it was the Aussie US dollar. You know what I'm saying? Here's a Great Britain pound, Aussie dollar. Once again, this is what price hit the other day. Pulled back, came back up. This is our new A. This is our new B. This was the C, but then price pulled back down. This is the C here, still in the red, so that means the target still is the red. But as you can see, price has been like limping towards the finish line here. So it may or may not hit this price target before the end of the year. So, I mean, it's one of the things that we'll have to just kind of check and see and look at on an ongoing basis. As you can see, looks like price has been making a move up. Now, the question would be going in 2019, will it continue to make this move up? Or will price hit that target, right? And then proceed to go back down again. So, looks like you got a double bottom here, right? Hits once, hits twice. All right. Broke the neckline, so it definitely could be looking to go up over the next couple of months, whatever. We'll come back up here and bounce back down. We don't know. We're gonna just be, looking at what the market gives us, and then based off what the market gives us, we want to be able to be a little, flexible and nimble in the market to be able to take advantage of these opportunities. Yeah, for right now, this thing looks pretty flat. Nothing too much going on there. All right, so the next one we look at is the Great Britain Pound US dollar. Once again, don't get alarmed by what you're seeing here. All it is just fibs. Retracements on the screen along with a support and resistance line and a trend line. That's it. It's nothing crazy up there. And for this particular pair, you know what? Just to give you another little bit of a breakdown. This is where price hit our target a couple of days ago. So this became our new A, this became our new B. This is a trend line, waiting for price to cross over the trend line to give us a buy signal to get into the market. We got it over here. You see price came all the way back down to the green. It almost actually went through their A. So price is really weak on this one. And as you can kind of see where we are right now, we're right here off this support resistance line. Here's the target. So you got about 106 pips away. And $49 pips. So definitely, I mean, if you're looking at something to trade, this right here is slow moving. It may not even get there, but from a risk to reward ratio, it looks like it's a pretty good risk to reward ratio bet. Trying to get 109 pips, you're risking 49 pips to do it at a standard lot. That's like what, $1,090, and you're risking 490 to do it. A couple of good things going for this pair right here. It's bouncing right here off of a support resistance line, so this could actually play into support. And like I said before, your stop loss would be down here, which gives you a little bit of room for the market to move for you, and you're actually on the buy side of things. You could get in now, but probably you could actually get in now, or you could wait to price cross over into a buy side on the opposite side of the trend line. So you can put a trend line here. Just show you exactly what I'm talking about. Come on, get out of here. All right, wait for price to cross over there, and then once it crosses over through here, buy in, because then you're gonna have some upward momentum going up, and then wait for price to hit. Personally, like I said earlier, I'm not getting into anything, not until after the new year. That's when I'll go in and make some moves. Right now, I'm just gonna stay put. Don't see anything too exciting going on in the market right now. It's just a lot of noise and sideways movement, it looks like. But after the new year, and definitely get in. But this right here is definitely an opportunity for somebody who might want to get in right now. Anyway, guys, like I said before, this is going to be a short one tonight. And so it is, and I'm about to be out of here. All right, God bless you. Be safe. It's about to be the weekend. I will see you back here on Sunday. So about another 47 hours or so, I will see you back. 47, 72, wherever, 71. I'll see you back. Be safe. Happy trading. And don't do anything I won't do. All right? Talk to you soon. Bye.